We're now going on to addition and subtraction of fractions which have binomial denominators, or perhaps even trinomial denominators. 1, 2 terms, 1, 2 terms. Because of that, one factor, one factor. Remember that if there's more than one term, there's only one factor. So the lowest common denominator is x plus 3 times x squared plus 3. So we've got to multiply by x squared plus 3 on this one to get it to that. And we have to multiply by x plus 3 here to get it to the common denominator. Top line, 3 times x squared plus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3. Notice the sign change here, minus 2 times plus 3. And there we have it. Another example. This is now one term. So it means it has factors. In fact, it has x minus 2 or x minus 2 squared. That's two terms, so only one factor, and that is x minus 2. So lowest common denominator now is x minus 2 all squared. Remember, we have to take each factor, so we've got to take an x minus 2, and it must be the highest power of that factor. So we have x minus 2 squared. Now this one's fun. It already has the lowest common denominator. This one we've got to multiply the base by x minus 2, therefore the top as well. Notice how I bracketed that. Just a good habit always, especially when there's a negative before the fraction. That stays as 2. That's x plus 2 times that x minus 2. We still have the negative there now. Multiplying out, keep it inside brackets because of the negative. And when we take away the brackets, that sign's changed. And that simplifies to that. Which out of neatness, we can put a negative in front. And that becomes x squared, but then that'll become minus 6. But it's optional. So here you are. Here's an example for you to try. So you need to pause this video and try that example yourself if you're going to learn anything from it. One term there. It's two factors. X minus 3, x plus 3. Two terms, so only one factor, but that's your x plus 3. So our lowest common denominator, x minus 3, x plus 3. One of each factor. That stays as it is. And we need to increase that to x plus 3, x minus 3. So we multiply by x minus 3 of x minus 3. Notice the brackets again because of the negative. Now they're all over the common denominator. Still in brackets, I multiplied that out. Still in brackets because the sign change is going to occur. There we are there. Which gives us that result. Once again, we can be neat and put the negative in front and then change the signs in the fraction. But it's optional. And there's some exercises to do.